Oh, he bit me. No. Here he is. Oh, Mommy's got one. Give it to Reid. Just hang on to it. You got him. You got him. Keep reeling, Reid. You're doing good. Here, I gotta reel mine up. Did he come off? No, he's still on. Just keep reeling, Reid. Just keep reeling. Yeah, you still got us a big bluegill. It's like, it splashed you? Oh yeah. Let some slack out, man. That's a monster.
I got it. Okay. We're gonna let Daddy get it. It's a bigger one. No, I want to get it. You gotta take it off the hook, though. You got it. You got it. Yay. Good job. I can't believe it. Good job.
Like the bee when you squeeze them.
Oh, it peed. Did you see it?
You did it, Reid. You caught your first big bluegill.
Is that big?
It's a huge bluegill, man.
It looks small.
That's a personal best.
Wait, is it better than Mommy's? I didn't catch a bluegill.
Mommy. Here, hang on. I'm gonna get these screws out.
No, big eyeball. Good job, Reid. I see it.
Well, look, Reid. All you gotta do is hold the handle there so Mommy can take your picture. Don't drop it, but look at, hold it up so Mommy can take your picture. Yep.
I don't want to.
No, just you're doing great, just like that. Look at Mommy.
What if it flops?
It's not. It's locked in there. It can't go anywhere.
Hold it up a little bit.
It's not gonna. It can't do anything, Reid. It can't do anything to you.
Okay, one more time.
She's got to get your picture with it. You got to hit it in front of you where she can take your picture. Try to look like you're happy and not scared to death. Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Good job, Reid. Picking all right. Here, Reid.
What, you catch one?
You're catching one here. Grab that and start reeling. That's a good one, Reid.
Oh, you got
Turn
it.
us. We're still going. There we go. You got him. He's hooked pretty good, I think. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's definitely your biggest fish ever, Reid. All right, stop reeling for a second. Slow down. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that fish, Reid. You got that one, buddy.
Is that a bass?
That's a bass.
Oh
That's
my
what we were
gosh.
after. You got that pole, it's kind of heavy.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big one, ain't it?
Bass. I may not be able to hold it.
You'll be able to hold him just like you did. You get a hold on with that.
It's a giant bass.
That's your personal best, dude.
Awesome. I can't believe I got 2 fish. Already 2 fish.
Told you we were gonna catch you one today, buddy.
More?
You got 2 personal bests in one day.
Yeah.
You might even get another one.
Yeah. It might be so cool.
It's a solid 2-pound fish.
I don't want to hold it close to my face.
Well, I'll take a picture with my camera. Here, grab the handle right there. It's heavy now. He's 2 pounds.
Oh, that is heavy.
Hang on, let me get my camera out here.
Oh my gosh, will you hold him?
I'll hold him for a minute.
Just hang on. I just want to hold him for 1 second to get your picture in 1 second.
Let go of it for a minute.
Gross. Get it away from me.
All right, mommy's got to move her arm and look at me and say cheese. Say cheese again. Oh my gosh, that's so good, Reid. Perfect. You're good. You're perfect.
I look nervous.
Yes, you're screaming.
Yay, Reid.
Guys,
So awesome.
is that bigger than your bass, Mom?
No.
It's a big bass.
It's a great job, though. You did awesome.
You should hold it. Just put your hand on it and a little bit.
All right, little buddy. Let's get a shot of you swimming off. You ready? Oh, he bit me.
Did it hurt?
No. Here he is. Dude, you did it. What do you think? That's pretty cool, wasn't it?
The GoPro out of my face.
Reid.
All right, let's do it again. Tier 3, I got him. That's what I got. I got him the right way.
Oh,
Oh, that's a big one, Reid. That one's gonna be your biggest one ever if you can get that one in. Sounds like he's pulling drag. Hang on. Oh, he's not as big, but it's still a good one.
You're doing good.
a hard one.
I know, you're doing good. Feisty one. See him? Oh, he's jumping. You see him? Reel him up.
Ooh, he's pulling hard.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
He's pulling hard.
Oh my gosh.
What?
He pulled really hard. Oh, that's a pretty good one. He's just as big as the last one. Here, let some, open that bell up, but be careful. Let just about half more out. There you go. That's good. Just swing him around here now.
This looks pretty good.
Yeah. Awesome, Reid. Back to back.
Fish in a row. Fish in a row.
Back to back to back. This one's, oh man, look at the fat belly. Look how fat he is.
I'm not going to take a picture with this. Yes, you
Why?
You gotta get your picture with all of them.
Crazy. They're crazy.
I don't know what the deal is here. I can't get that. There it goes. Okay. Let's get another.
Don't get it.
I'm not. Let me get my phone out. Let mommy hold it for a second until we can let it go here. Hey, why are you being like that?
Get it a little bit away
Here.
from my face. Here, hold it. Oh, I see his gills.
That's okay. It's just his gills. All right, hang on. You got it?
Oh, I see his bones.
Don't be scared, Reid. There's nothing to be scared about. Hang on, let me get one like this.
I see his bones.
Okay, I got you. You're good. Man, that one looks like he's full of bait or something.
Good job.
Dude, that's awesome, Reid. 3 in a row. You're getting carried away.
3 in a row.
This was your 3rd one, yep. Your first one was bigger, I think, but...
Caught a bluegill, then you caught a bass, and then...
Alright, buddy, here he goes. Take off.
Oh, Reid.
Oh yeah, that's another good one. Stop reeling, stop
Whoa,
reeling.
that looks like.
Give him a little. I just got him on one hook. Can
It looks like a big one.
you?
It's a big one. He's good. That's number 4.
Yeah.
You're on the fish today, buddy.
Number 4.
Oh, don't get that close.
That's one of your smaller ones. You're fine.
Wait, did we already catch that one?
Nope. What do you mean you already caught that one? You remember how I was telling you there's worms? Look. You see the little things crawling on him right there?
Where?
See those little things moving around? Can you see that? We're gonna get a shot of him moving around. On the back right there.
Oh yeah, those little dots.
Mm-hmm.
Those water dots. Those are water.
Here, we'll just do a picture like this. Say cheese. Make a good thumbnail, maybe.
Good job, Bud.
Say cheese again. Y'all say cheese.
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 Awesome. All right, let's let this little guy go.
Good job, Bub.
You're free, Willie.
Willy Wonk.
You wanna?
I mean, I can make B-roll out of. Oh, dang it, there's one messing with it back there.
You got him.
Keep reeling. He's coming up. He's gonna jump.
Is he big?
He's about like the other ones.
5 fish on the hook and
No, like that. You got it? I'm gonna let you do it all by yourself. You got it? Keep reeling.
yeah.
I'm just gonna film.
Okay.
Keep
We
going.
hold it,
Yep.
hold
No,
it,
no,
hold
let him
it.
do it. Let him do it. Let him do it.
You do it.
He's got it.
Hold it.
You got it, Reid.
You got it, buddy.
Can't hold it.
Keep going. Keep going. He's coming. You're getting him there. You got it. I'm helping you a little bit. He's still on. Here he goes.
Slow down.
All right, yeah, slow down. Give it a little bit more, a little bit further. Keep going. Keep going. Here he comes. Oh, he's still got some fight in him. All right, stop reeling. Oh yeah, he's a feisty little guy. Nice.
Splash pad. On the eyelid.
Look at there, Reid.
There. Number
That's-
5.
Oh no.
Pretty one.
Strings.
That's okay. Dude, you're slaying them. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something right.
Big.
Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to get you again there. Here, Mommy, hold that real quick and let me get my camera out here.
No, I want to hold it.
I'm gonna let you, but hang on. Save your strength. Let me get my camera out here. Okay, give it to Reid. Mommy mover, say cheese.
Cheese.
Awesome.
Better.
Number 5. High five on the number 5.
Woo.